Howdy Doody and good morning and welcome back to the channel. I don't know whether you can see anything yet, but currently halfway up Mam Tor for sunrise. Hopefully there's going to be a few more photographers around here. I think Paul Compton's coming again because it's his birthday. But yeah, at the minute on my own, taking a nice little stroll up here. So looks a bit cloudy. Hopefully there will be a break in the sky, and with a bit of luck we might get a cloud inversion too. But when I get to the top I'll put you back on when we get to the trig point. We are still waiting for sunset, as you can, or sunrise rather. There's a slight inversion going on at the bottom, nothing much. I'll show you back at camera there. Zoomed in at what? About 200 mil. But yeah, the cloud keeps coming and going. I had a bit of a time lapse going when we first came up, so you've probably seen that already. But yeah, as it's Mr. C's birthday, there's a few people turned up. Spin you around, get them all on. So yeah, I'll come back to you when something happens. Right, just moving further down now, just towards the gate. As you can see over there, there's a slight inversion going on. You've probably seen one or two images of that already, but if the light does hit it, I'll put you back on. Also over there, Mam Nick, just starting to cover in low cloud. So yeah, got a few images of that as well. So we are starting to make his way down. Just round the corner, back where the gate is in there, just ready for sunrise. There's a bit of colour starting to happen up there, as you can see. It looks like the inversion is starting to make its way up to or around the cement works. If it does go around the cement works, that'll be something. You'll just see the chimney sticking out. But yeah, we're just now about to get hit by some low cloud. So yeah, you can just see it coming over now. But yeah, I'll make my way down to the fence and the gate. I'll put you back on when I get there. Right, on his way down there now. We've sort of set up with another one. This is the composition I've probably got at the moment. Show it back at camera. But just trying to take in this little cross-section path there, and then the path leading you straight down. We are starting to get a bit of a glow. That inversion is taking shape, so I'm going to make my way down to this corner, down at the bottom, and then hopefully take that in. Might get a bit of light coming across, but yeah, that inversion is taking off now. So I'm probably going to put the long lens on, get a couple of shots there, then make my way down. So yeah, it's turning out, it's quite a nice morning. I'm just going to take another one there. I am bracketing as well. Dynamic range is getting quite bad at the minute, but yeah, got the blinkies on as well. So yeah, it's turning out into quite a nice morning as this. Yeah, this is just a few people that like to stay in bed. I don't know whether you can hear this or not, but just listen. deadly silent, just the sound of the birds in the morning. This is real, is this? The inversion is taking off a bit. I'll put another shot on that. I've just taken on way down. Still haven't made it to that fence yet. I keep getting stopped and taking that inversion, just keep my eye out on it. So I want it to go down that cement works, just so that chimney sticks out from above it. But just coming down here now, a lot of low-lying cloud and stuff. Starting to get a little bit of colour, but I think the cloud's just going to stop it a little bit. So yeah, say hello to morning sheep. Bit of dew on grass. There you go, look. Some little friends there for us. So yeah, I'm making his way down now. Hopefully I'll get down there this time. I'll see you in a bit. Right, just about made it down to the gate now, but literally 2 minutes ago the cement works were just bottom half were just engulfed in that mist. You can just see the remnants of it there on the back of the camera. But yeah, I think we've got it just in time. So I'll put a couple of them shots up now for you, and then we'll do a couple of the fence with a classic shot. And then I think the shot I want is at the other side of the fence, just the path leading you down and up. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these. Right, we've all made it down to the fence now. We've done the gate shut, but now we're all cramped in. They've got light rays coming through. Currently set up. Got the fence leading from left hand side, the path leading you from the right, and sunrise coming through there. A bit of low-lying mist and cloud as well. So yeah, I think we're all happy bunnies this morning. We're all just clicking away. So yeah, I'll bob these up for you now. I hope you enjoy them. Just walking a bit further down now. We are getting quite a bit of haze and mist coming round. Just taking a few shots of the tree on Back Tor, but I'll just turn you around a minute. Got this low cloud coming over there, and just look at back of Mam Tor. It's actually clearing a bit now. But yeah, we'll keep getting this mist. Keeps coming and going, rolling in and out. So yeah, just keep stopping and taking a few shots. So I'm making his way down to Back Tor, where you can just see that lawn tree there at the top. But yeah, bottom of there, I think there's a path that leads you all the way up with the trees on. So probably take a few shots of that, bob them up so you can have a nosy. Then I think we're gonna go to the top of that Back Tor, which it's a nice steep climb, but yeah, it'd be nice up there looking back. All this low-lying cloud and mist coming over. So I'll come back to you in a bit when we get down there. Well, we've got to the top of Back Tor now, and we've got a welcoming committee. Just turning around, and everyone's got a sweat on. But yeah, this is his welcoming committee. So, just take you over this edge here, and you can have a nosy. This is Back Tor, looking towards the Great Ridge, Mam Tor in the background, and there's low-lying cloud passing over it. So yeah, some great views all around here. So yeah, probably get up with a shot, probably somewhere down here, leading you out over there. Yeah, let's get my breath back. I'll see you in a bit. I've just had 1 or 2 shots from this view here now. Show you this. So all these rocks here, leading you up to that low-lying cloud, going across the Great Ridge and Mam Tor. So yeah, I'll blow them up for you. Let's give you a quick look around. Sun's starting to come out again now. Got some nice little visitors as well, look.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into.
So yeah, but yeah, I think that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this. Mam Tor and Great Ridge, over to Back Tor, the lone tree. Obviously the tree that you saw earlier from the long distance ones. That's it there. When you get up close, it's something or nothing. So yeah, but yeah, from today, on top of Mam Tor and Back Tor and the Great Ridge. Like and subscribe, hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Any more images I get out my back, I'll bob them up for you. But yeah, see you again next time.